Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Make sure to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell. We have an interesting few guests with me today. School is officially out and summer has started, right guys?
Yes.
Yes. So we have the Duffy crew here today and we're going to go through something different. We're going to go through some questions today just about money. You guys good with that?
Yes.
You guys excited?
Yes.
We're here to have fun, right?
Yes. Yeah.
And we want honest answers. Whatever comes to you, okay? So you ready? You ready for the first question?
Yes.
Okay, so James, the first question for you, and it's all going to go to each of you after this too, so be prepared. What is money?
Money is it's like currency. If you want to buy something, you use money to get that, and you use money to buy the things that you want, the things that you need, provisions, food, clothing, and just provisions and stuff.
Pretty solid answer. Would you guys agree with that?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Hayden, for you, what could people use money for?
They could use it to help their and they could use it to feed themselves
Yep.
and buy wood for their fireplaces to keep.
Wood for their fireplaces. That's really good. What about stuffies? Would they buy stuffies?
No.
No? Okay. You would though, right? Okay. All right. How about this one? How do people get money?
By doing stuff for people.
Like what? Give me an example.
Except if I was going to a person's house and I wanted to clean their dishes, they would give me money after I'm all done doing.
Really? You go to people's places and actually clean their dishes?
No.
Okay. But if that was a way to make money. Oh, okay. I gotcha. Now, question for all of you. Should kids get paid for doing chores?
No.
No? I like that
Yes.
answer. I like that answer. You say yes.
Yes.
Oh, 2 out of 3 there say yes. We'll talk about that when we get home. That's a good debate. So let me ask you this question. So you think cleaning your room is now a paid service? Something that we should pay for? Mom and dad should pay for you guys cleaning your own room?
Cleaning your room, I think that's your responsibility, and I don't think that should be paid. But what I think is doing the dishes, doing the laundry and stuff like that, but not doing stuff for your own goods, cleaning your room, cleaning up toys and all that stuff.
That's your own responsibility.
Yes.
Okay. So when's the last time you've actually done dishes
Oh,
or laundry?
I haven't done laundry in a while, but I did unload the dishwasher yesterday.
Well, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. All right, I'll give you some credit there. All right. Question 3. What do adults spend? So mommy and daddy, what do we spend too much money on, you think?
Disney road trips, vacations,
Okay.
uh,
All right,
and that's about it.
yeah, that's about it. All right, we're going to go to... Well, you got something? What do you think? What do we spend too much money on?
Going to hotels and going to do.
All right, we said Disney World, and we said hotels. Okay, what else?
I have 2. Spending money on dumplings and spending money on stuffed animals.
Stuffed animals. We do that too much? Okay. That's really good. All right, what does dad spend too much money on? Do you guys have something for me? What? Okay.
Making
Do I spend too much money on what?
working to get money.
Oh yeah. Okay. How about you, Hayden?
You're spending too much money on cologne.
Cologne? I don't wear any cologne. What are you talking about?
I can smell your beard.
I
can smell
my beard oil. Okay. Yeah, I spend too much money on beard
Your
oil.
mouth. The thing that you drink.
The thing that I drink? Oh, my supplements?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Here, watch that.
Okay. I'm surprised you guys didn't say golf. dogs.
Shoot, I forgot about
Okay. Well, how about this one? What does mommy spend too much money on? Oh, yeah. You guys all know this. All right. You first.
Disney World trips.
Yeah. Disney World trips.
On hotels.
Or hotels. Same thing.
Too much Louis Vuitton purses.
Louis Vuitton purses. How do you know what Louis Vuitton is?
I don't know. I actually really don't know. I walk into her closet and I see a ton of them
Yeah.
everywhere.
Wow. That's good. Yeah. We should talk to mommy about that.
Yeah, we should probably give some away to me because I want one.
Okay. All right. So now we're going to play a game called Need or Want. Okay. So your response is either you think this is a need or a want. Okay. You ready for it?
Yep.
First question. We've been talking about it a lot lately. Disney. Is it a need or a want?
A want.
What?
A want.
A want. Very good. I like that. Remember, future vacations may hang on this balance. So how about for me, golf clubs? Need or a want?
A want.
Need.
Yeah, I would agree. You know, you need golf clubs to be able to play golf,
Yeah, technically.
right? Or is it?
Yeah.
Or is it a hobby?
That's a need. That's a need.
It's a need. I love that you see it my way too.
Need.
Need. Good. Yeah. Right. All right. Well, then we'll go back to Louis Vuitton purses.
No.
Is that really a need?
No, it's a want.
It's a want. So why does your
Just every single day.
mom?
Just get a regular bag.
Just get a regular bag, right?
Yeah.
Right. What is mom doing? Oh, jeez. Okay. All right. Staying with the need or want. How about this one? Ice cream. Need or a want?
A want.
A want. Okay.
That's an honor.
A want.
When you get hot, you need ice cream, so I would have to say want.
Want. Okay. Well, good. I like that. All right. Here's a tough question. Are you ready for this?
Yes.
If I gave you $100 right now, what would you do with it?
Give it back.
You would give it back? That's sweet. Why?
Because I want you to be rich.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate that. You're trying to butter me up. Something. I know that. All right. How about this one? How much do you think a car costs? If you were to buy a car today, how much do you think a car costs? Yes.
$160.
$160. You heard it here, folks. The least expensive car in the world. $162. Yes.
Probably like 50,000.
$50,000. That's a good guess. That's a really good guess.
I was gonna say 50,000, but I guess 60,000.
Okay, that's a good guess. It's just a more expensive car. Really good guess. $162 was just a little off, though. Yeah, you're close. You're close. Okay. All right. Well, here's the second question I want to ask around that. How about, would you like $100 today or $1,000 later? James.
$1,000 later, because I know even though
You don't know when you're going to get it, though.
yeah, I know I'm not gonna get it soon, but like, think about it. If I get $100 right now, then I won't have it. I won't have, like, if I wanted something that was $1,000, and if I got $100 today, I would not be able to get that. But if I get that later, if I get $1,000 later, I can still get that.
So think about it this way. If you took that $100 today and invested that dollars, could you get to 1,000?
Yeah, it's possible.
Okay. Which one would you want?
$1,000
Later. You're just following your brother now. I see what you're doing.
because I want to give it to you.
Oh, you want to give it to me? That's really, really sweet. How about you?
I would have to say later because once I get the money, I know I'm just gonna leave it on the counter. Don't care about it. Don't do anything with it.
Money's not important to you, is it?
No.
What's most important to you?
I have two: family and horseback riding.
Family and horseback riding. I really like that. What's most important to you?
My family.
I love that.
Most important is my family, my friends, and all that.
Love it.
Oh.
Which leads into a really good question. Can money make people happy?
I
What
mean,
do you think? It's a tough question.
it depends because friends make like happiness and love and compassion and like caring and money. All it does for you is just get the things that you want, not the things
Material things.
material. So money can sometimes lead to happiness, but only for a little while, and then yeah, but true friendship leads to like true happiness.
Wow.
For a-
That's-
for a
that's
lot.
deep.
Yeah.
That's pretty deep right there. You guys bored with that question? Oh, it seemed like you're bored with that question. Bored?
Well, I like writing.
I know an answer.
You have an answer.
It makes people happy for a little bit,
Yep.
but then you buy the things you want, and then you don't really have the things that you need.
Right. That's really good too. How about you, sweetie?
Making
Can money make people happy?
yes.
Yes. Okay. All right. Good. All right. Now we're gonna go rapid fire. Are you ready? Quick answers. Okay. You gotta be ready to answer your question. So first one's gonna go to James. What is the best thing to spend money on?
Provisions, food, clothing.
Okay. What's the best thing to spend money on, Aiden?
I think a food in the house,
Okay.
and I'm gonna have to say clothing.
Clothing. Okay. Colin, what's the best thing to spend money on? Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton purchases. You see what you've done, Megan? I see it now. All right. Quick question. What is the worst thing to spend money on? Answer quick.
Things that you want, not
Okay.
things that you need.
Okay.
Um,
What's the worst thing to spend money on?
Vivian.
Louis Vuitton too. That's really good. What's the worst thing to spend money on, Aiden? Horseback riding?
I'm tired of this Disney.
Disney? No more Disney.
Do I have to say this 1,000 times?
Yeah, I would agree. I think
Literally
it's-
go there. I literally go every single year. I go 2 times.
Yeah, and it's absurd, right?
It is absurd.
It's a racket. It's a racket. I get it. All right. Here's a question. Who spends more money, mom or dad? You can answer all at once.
Dad,
Mom.
Mom, because literally, if you look into her closet,
You were.
look how much things she has.
I know. It's just I have 0 in my closet.
Yeah, I only have one section. Mom has a whole entire section.
Right. It's crazy. You said dad? Well, you think I spend all the money?
Who spends all the money
No.
on Disney trips?
Okay. All right. What does dad do for work? Not good.
Frame Wealth Partners.
Frame Wealth Partners. What does Frame Wealth Partners do?
It helps you invest in money.
It's a good start. Yeah.
Making money.
Making money. Okay. What does dad do?
He works a lot in the day
Works a lot in the day. Yep.
and the night,
In the night.
and he always takes golf lessons.
Always takes golf lessons. Okay, that's really helpful. If you were, all right, so here's the deal. If you were the boss of Frame Wealth Partners for a day, what would you do?
What I would do is I would probably use all of the money, and I would probably use it to for charity.
For charity. Wow. So you would do a charitable initiative. I like that. What if you guys were the boss of Frame Wealth Partners? Where would you go?
I would say everybody put your money together and buy a pony for me.
Buy a pony. Buy a pony. It's really good. Yeah.
Make money.
Make money. You would try to make more money.
Yes,
See, I like that.
you.
For me. Oh wow, that's really nice. Well, remember, we help clients make smart financial decisions.
Yeah, no. I have another one.
Yes.
Yeah, technically, make money to help my nanny out. out.
Oh, that's really sweet of you. That's really sweet of you. All right, last question, last and final question. Are you ready for it? What is one money rule everyone should follow?
Don't spend like all your money on things that you want.
Okay.
Don't spend money.
Don't spend money. Okay.
Don't buy the things that you want. Buy the things that you need.
Very good. I like that too. So, all really, really good answers. Well, guys, I really want to thank you for visiting Dad today and coming in and sharing your thoughts around the value of money. I really appreciate it. Today was a little different, folks. It was more about making good choices, a little bit of patience, and I hope you enjoyed it. That's all we have for today. See you soon.
Welcome to McDonald's.
Welcome to McDonald's. Are you guys gonna be good today?
Yeah,
All right,
but
so-
just not her.
Before we start,
Hey.
would you guys like a water or anything?
Yes, I would need a water.
You need a water?
Yeah.
I'll get a water. I need a refresh.
Can Josie stay for comfort? Can Josie stay for comfort?
Josie can sit right here if you want.
Thank you. Josie, get the best view you can. Don't try to look at that and bark. Thank you very much.
You guys are getting treated really well.
I need one.
Yeah, we're being treated with royalty. Ow, I can't open this.
Are you gonna share your water?
I can open it.
Can we share one?
Oh. Yeah. I tried to, but I never had to open mine.
I'm refreshed.
You're refreshed?
I'm
We're
not
good?
refreshed.
I'm not fresh.
All right, so guys, we're really just ad-libbing this today.
And he always takes golf lessons.
Always takes golf lessons. Okay, that's really helpful. What? I gotta take golf lessons. I don't take. Yeah, I do.